Hello guys! Tapos na po ang aking apron. Apron with inner pocket and outer pocket. Ito guys, so inner pocket. Ang inner pocket niya ay may zipper. Ito. Zipper. Zipper to guys. Tapos, yung outer pocket niya ito sa labas. At may holder, waist holder, neck holder, waist holder. At ito guys, tapos na siya. Sana ay magugustuhan nyo ang ginawa kong apron with na neck holder, waist holder, and inner pocket and outer pocket. Likes, comments, follow and share para madagdagan ang aking mga gawa na tahi. Thank you guys!